Hey, what's up guys? I am here with another video, and this time we are checking how to convert a web page into a PDF document, and it's really simple. So here we are on the Wikipedia homepage, just anything random. And what we are going to do is use the printing feature to create our PDF. So all you need to do is press Ctrl and P when you are on Google Chrome, and that is going to bring up this screen. So now it'll generally be on print and not save as PDF. So all you need to do is by destination is change it to save as PDF. Make sure that the pages are on all or however many, whichever pages you want. They will be numbered on the side here. And then all you have to do is hit save, and it'll ask you where you want to save it to. And then you will see here, I'll open it up, and this is what it's going to look like. So it's not 100% perfect, but it gets the job done. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.